Hi everyone. So in my stuffs with the stamps and all other things related, I found this envelope from the Bullseye Cancel Collectors Club. I have in 2004 found this club, and this club is great because the principal objective is to find this is the letters that I have sent to the club. They respond me, but I would say it is the Bullseye Cancel Collectors Club. They had a bulletin, official journal of the Bullseye, and it was very interesting. And the first objective is to found the stamps used with the postmark where the date, day, month, and year is visible or on better place and can be readable. As you can see, a lot of information. This bulletin is from 2003. So if anyone knows if the club continues, I don't know. I don't find I don't found anything on internet. Only some informations, but the main site is not there. It is. You can see here example 30 January 1980 1897. I have interest in this club and the collection of used stamps with a perfect postmark and where is readable the dates and the place. So if anyone knows if this club continues, you can see here a lot of good stamps, fantastic cancels. The bullseye cancel or in the nose cancels. I love I love a lot this type of collection, and I have a stock book somewhere that I will find and I will show you everyone. I have several stamps that meet this criteria. So the objective is, for example, you can do this bullseye with from the day 1 of January to 31 of December of the year of for example the year that you were born, or the date and the year of the day you born, or a kid of you who has born, or any date in special, or you can have a complete collection of every date or every day of the year from 1 of January to 31 of December. They even sent to me a virtual calendar with all the dates and the days that appear. Very, very interesting. I don't know that this club still exists and is active. It is a shame for me. It is very, very bad if for me if this club is out of action, and I think that it must restart, because I think that in the world of philately and stamp collectors, there are a lot of them that are interested in this type of stamps with good postmarks, good cancels, where is very visible date and the place. So if anyone knows anything about the BCCC or Bullseye Cancel Collectors Club, please comment below, or get in touch with me, because I want to be a member of this, and I want to get a collection on this thematic. I saw here that they have all the BCCC bulletin back issues, and they have issues since December issue 1979. So it's a fantastic club for me, at least. And it's a shame if this club is over. Sometimes this type of clubs are managed by old persons that start to get tired or even die, and the others don't continue because of out of interest. But please, anyone that knows anything about that, please contact here in the comments. And if this club is out of work, is as handed, I'm one of the persons interested in reactivate that club, and I'm going to try to do that. If anyone is interested to, please join me in this work, and we all could in the future have the Bullseye Cancel Collector Clubs active, and very 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 active. I think so. So this is for now. Thank for all, and see you in next video. Bye bye.